All right. Welcome back, everybody, for another deep dive. You guys wanted to know more about octopuses. Well, get this. They have not one, not two, but three hearts.
Three hearts, yep. And they each have a very specific role, too.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Two of them pump blood to the gills
Okay.
to take in oxygen from the water, and then the third one pumps that oxygenated blood to the rest of the body.
Huh. Okay, so I think I understand that.
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense. Two for the gills, one for the body. Okay. But I was reading that the third heart, the one that circulates all that oxygen-rich blood, it actually pauses when the octopus swims.
It does.
Isn't that kind of a problem? Like, shouldn't the blood be circulating all the time?
Well, you would think, right?
Yeah.
But it seems like it's actually a really, really efficient way to save energy.
Yeah.
And, octopuses, they live in some pretty harsh environments, low oxygen. So being able to conserve that oxygen, especially while swimming, is super important.
So they basically prioritize movement over constant circulation. Does that make them vulnerable at all?
Well, there's definitely a trade-off
Okay.
because it means that while they're swimming, their tissues aren't getting as much oxygen.
Right.
So their speed and endurance are limited.
Interesting.
But octopuses are ambush predators. They don't need to chase things for very long.
Oh, that's true. That makes a lot of sense.
So it actually works perfectly for their lifestyle.
Wow, that's incredible. I had no idea. And you know what else is incredible?
What's that?
Their blood. B-L-U-E, blood. It sounds like something out of science fiction.
It does, doesn't it? It's because of hemocyanin.
Hemocyanin.
It's a molecule that carries the oxygen in their blood.
Okay.
It's copper-based.
Instead of iron.
Yeah, unlike our hemoglobin.
Okay.
And it's way more efficient in those cold, low-oxygen conditions that a lot of octopus species live in.
So it's not just for show, it's actually crucial for their survival.
Absolutely. That copper binds to oxygen and boom, blue blood.
So how does that hemocyanin, how does it stack up against hemoglobin? Like in terms of efficiency, I mean,
Well, in those cold temperatures, low oxygen pressure, hemocyanin is king, which is exactly what octopuses need.
right, they're practically superheroes, three hearts, blue blood. If they have these kinds of adaptations, what other crazy things are hidden in the ocean?
Oh, I'm sure there's a ton of stuff we haven't even discovered yet.
It really makes you think, doesn't it?
It sure does.
What an amazing creature.
Truly remarkable.
Well, that's all the time we have for today's deep dive. Make sure to check back soon for another one.